morning. It's 8:37. Welcome back to Breakfast Television. Well, earlier in the show, we had the chance to hear more about country musician Bryce Pallister's latest album, Down Dusty Roads.
That's right. Bryce is going to be heading down some of those dusty roads, doing a bit of a summer festival tour, but first celebrates the new album on Saturday with a show at Cowboys. Here's Bryce Pallister live on the BT stage with his single, One of These Days.
She says no with a smile, just a little look, but it drives me wild, and she knows it. I give her a wink and she laughs. She walks by slow and she don't look back. I ain't one to give up and I'll never back down, 'cause one of these days she's gonna give in. And someday we'll look back and laugh at how it all began. We're gonna be together, gonna last forever. It's meant to be. Wait and see, 'cause one of these days she's gonna give in. One of these days. Two can play at this game, and I don't miss when I take aim. I'm not gonna lose her. Feels like a pretty safe bet. She's gonna get tired of hard to get. I give it a little time, I'll be hers and she'll be mine. One of these days, she's gonna give in. And someday, we'll look back and laugh at how it all began. We're gonna be together, gonna last forever. It's meant to be. Wait and see, 'cause one of these days she's gonna give in. Oh, one of these days. One of these days. One of these days, one of these days, she's gonna give in. And someday, we'll look back and laugh at how it all began. We're gonna be together, gonna last forever. It's meant to be. Wait and see, 'cause one of these days, she's gonna give in. Oh, one of these days. Never gonna give up, ain't gonna back down. And she knows it. Now one of these days